Hi everyone, I got Kinderäggs from Rio too, and I'm so curious how many figures I'll get from them. It could be Gabby, it could be Blue, or Charlie. He's so funny because he's an anteater. So let's open egg number 1. I got a water sprayer. It's a boat. Now we can open egg number 2. I didn't got a real figure, but I got a peekaboo toy. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Now let's open egg number 3. Yay! I got the Blue, my first figure from Rio too. Here is Blue. Now we can open egg number 4. I got a clapping thing. Yay, now I can support my favorite team, Forza Italia! Now let's open egg number 5. Yay! It's Gabby, my second Rio 2 figure. It's a water sprayer. To make it blow water, you press this button right here. If you press it, Gabby will spray water like this. Boing, boom. And here are the toys you can collect. Now let's open the last egg. I got a blue bird from the kids. It's Tiago, my third figure from Rio 2. Now let's see what we can do with him. You can launch him, same as Blue. Now here are my things I got today. I got Tiago and Poisonous Froggy Gabby and a clapping thing and a Blue and a peekaboo toy and of course a water sprayer. So it was very successful today because I got 3 toys and 3 figures. My favorite figure from Rio 2 is Blue. Which figure you like the most? You can write down in my comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye! And then don't forget to respect the rainforest and protect birds.